Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to solve these simultaneous equations by substitution method. Okay, so I will have my first equation here, equation number 1. I will also have my second equation here, the green color one, which will be my equation 2. So for this particular video, I'm going to make use of my substitution method. So from equation 1, my y will be equals to 3 minus x. Okay, I'm minusing x on both sides. And this will become my equation 3. Alright, so this is my equation 3. And from here, we can see that since now I have y, I'm going to substitute my equation 3 into equation 2. And how do I go about doing that? At first, I will have 3x minus 2y equals to 39. Now, my y that you see here, I'm not going to write it as y anymore. I'm going to write it as 3 minus x. Okay, so that's what's going to happen. So essentially, I'm substituting y with 3 minus x because they are equal to each other. And once I do that, this equation becomes relatively easy to solve. I have my negative 2 multiplying by positive 3. That will give me negative 6. Negative 2 multiplied by negative x, positive 2x. And continue to solve for this. I will have 3x plus 2x to give me 5x. I will also have my 39. I'm going to add 6 on both sides so that this will become 39 plus 6. Why do I do that? Because 6 minus 6 will be equals to 0. 0 save the day here. Okay, so that's what is happening. And now once I have this, it becomes pretty straightforward. I will have my 5x equals to 45, and x will be equals to 45 divided by 5, 9. And the moment I have this, and the next step would then be for us to substitute this value of x into any of the 3 equations we have. And Mr. Tan would like to substitute this value of x, which is 9, into equation 3. So my equation 3 is y equals to 3 minus x, right? So this x, I'm not going to write as x anymore because now I know x is equals to 9. Therefore, for this particular x, I'm going to substitute as 9. So final answer, y equals to negative 6. X equals to 9. And it will always be good to just do a quick check. If I substitute the value of x and y into probably 1, 1 is x plus y equals to 3. So let's see if that really happens. Okay, so my x is 9, and therefore I'm going to rewrite x as 9. And my y is negative 6. So I'm going to rewrite y as negative 6. 9 minus 6 does give me back my 3. So we are correct. Okay? With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.